Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thank you for watching this presentation on YouTube. Let me introduce you. My name is Iqbal Harebima. My partner is Lutfi Alamsyah and Fikri Hanif. On this opportunity, we will explain about database of public complaint. First, I will explain what is a database. A database is organized collection of structured information or data, typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by a database management system or DBMS. Together, the data and the DBMS, along with the applications that are associated with them, are referred to as a database system, often shortened to just database. What is MySQL Server? Microsoft SQL Server is a relational database management system designed for applications with a client-server architecture. A feature on Microsoft SQL Server that has the ability to create database mirroring and clustering. Microsoft SQL Server also supports SQL as a language for processing queries into database, and we know that SQL is commonly used in all database server products. What is database public complaint used for? To classify data and make it easier to identify data for people who submit complaints. The database will display data in accordance with requests from users for information with a fast process with the help of database management system software.
And now I will explain you about structure of database public complaint, user table design, and categories and complaint table design. Structure of database design. In this database, we have two schema, users and complaints, and 5 table, users, categories, complaint, status, and response. In the table have relationship to other table and some are dependent on its other. Every table have one primary key, its name ID, and some table have foreign key. It is marked with underscore ID at the back. User table design. This is user table and the table is in user schema. This is table for data collection of the user. This is table is also intended for data storage of registration result in the system. So that one day the user will log in, the data will be matched with this in this table. This table have 9 field. Column is ID, name, email, password, address, phone number, type, created at, and updated. And the primary key is set to auto increment. And this table have column created at and updated at for not when this data inserted or updated. Categories and complaints table design. This is categories and complaint table in complaint schema. Categories table is created for the category data collection and the category for field category in complaints table. So the complaints table is related to categories table. Complaint table is for the complaints data collection and have a column is ID, user ID, category ID, complaint, image, title, created at, and updated at. And the primary key is ID. It's set to auto increment and have two foreign key. User ID for relation to users table, and category ID is for relation to categories table.
And now I will explain about status and responses table design. Create table complaints dot status table for status ID primary key column complaint underscore ID foreign key column status created underscore add update underscore add. Create table complaints dot responses table for responses ID primary key column user underscore ID foreign key column complaint underscore ID foreign key column response image created underscore add update underscore add. Next, example for stored procedure in public complaint. Create procedure, add complaint, add user underscore ID, add category underscore ID, add complaint, add image, add title, add created underscore add update underscore add. As begin insert into complaints user underscore ID category underscore ID complaint image title created underscore add update underscore add. Values add user underscore ID add category underscore ID add complaint add image add title get date and. Next, the main purpose of public complaint created. The main purpose of public complaint created is provide system, procedure, and mechanism that allow any complaints or protests from all parties can be managed properly so as not to cause upheaval and disturbing the smooth running of the activities of a government institution. Thanks all from our group. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.